Welcome back, family. I am your host, Sketch, your brother from another mother, and in today's episode of Sketches Chronicles, I am going to try and help you overcome, if you fall in this category, of people with anxiety when it comes to drawing, especially in a meeting scenario. So if you fall in this category of our little friend here, stay tuned to this video. And also, if you find the content that I'm sharing useful, subscribe to the channel, make recommendations on what type of content you want to see. As you know, this channel is all about visual communication, and as a family, I'm sure we can pull together and help each other out. So without further ado, let's go. So for today's video, I'm going to be using this example. It's taken from a book by Martin Hausman, and the title of the book is Thinking with Your Pen. If you're interested in buying this book or getting it, the descriptions will be, the link will be in my description, and you can just click on it and have a look. But this is where I'm going to take the example and tell the story of a company, the growth and evolution of an organization visually, using mainly circles. Also, for today's example, I'm doing it on a whiteboard, and I'm going to be using a black marker as my primary color for outlines, and I'm also going to be using purple, green and red just to make a distinction between the different companies and how this company evolved over this time. The sphere of strategic management, you often deal with topics like mergers, diversification, incorporation, outsourcing, strategic alliance, and growth. All of these can be quite easily depicted through balloon diagrams. So here's the story. A variety of market players were bustling about in the marketplace, right? Two companies coexisted independently of one another until they merged. 4 new business divisions were incorporated while retaining their autonomy. It was discovered that many activities happened to overlap, and as a result, 2 of the business divisions were integrated, while the third continued to grow and was ultimately resold. In the meantime, the company had developed ties of varying importance with 2 other firms. They strengthened their collaboration and created a strategic consortium made up of independent entities. Ultimately, they forged a collective brand, which, following its consolidation, took on another firm to expand its portfolio. Today, this consortium is recognized as a new and independent entity. Family, I hope you enjoyed that video, and please comment below what you think about the presentation, about using visuals. How would you use it? Can you see a scenario in your world where you can use it as well? And again, please don't forget to subscribe. Also, click on the notification bell so that whenever I release a new video with new content, you get notified. I hope you enjoyed it. Till the next episode, signing out.